Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we have this S560 convertible from Mercedes-Benz and we're going to give it a quick review, take it for a point of view test drive. We'll try to find a location to launch it from 0 to 60 because it is a very fast car. And what we'll do is we'll first check out the outside. And if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Sholly. I post these videos every day or every other day. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, get involved in the comments. We've got some big stuff coming out in 2024. Anyway, as you can see, it's an absolutely stunning car. It's the AMG line. You got these beautiful two creases that go along the side of the car. It's the convertible model, this one. You can also get it as a non-convertible, as a regular S-Class. This is the 560. It comes also in up to an AMG, a absolute massive power. You get the OLED brake lights on this car. And as you can see, it's an absolutely stunning car. The kind of cars that are in this class are things like the Bentley Continental, the BMW 8 Series. And the inside is even nicer. You get these beautiful, very comfortable leather seats. They've got a vent behind your neck that you can use either when the roof is open or even when the roof is closed. I'll show you in a minute how you can control that from the settings on the door. It's a beautiful cream white finish, this one. Leather all over. Wooden steering wheel with leather sides. And obviously it's a heated steering wheel as well, which you can control from this knob over here, which also controls the reach and rake. Obviously it's electronically operated. This has a 4-litre turbocharged V8 engine and it comes with 463 brake horsepower. According to Mercedes, you get approximately 27 miles to the gallon. The engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic gearbox and it comes with a 12.3-inch infotainment system. You can control it in multiple ways, either from this section here, from this rotary knob, or you got shortcut buttons around the center console. You can also control it from the left hand side of the steering wheel. The air vents are chrome finished, very high quality. You can open and close them with this rotary knob, very high quality. And underneath that you have the physical climate controls. It's very easy to use. Heat up, heat down, auto, off, fan speed. And if you want to bring up on the infotainment system, you simply press the menu button and it comes up on the infotainment screen. Below the climate settings you have a drawer storage compartment, and below that we have two cup holders and a 12-volt socket. Moving further back, you have shortcut buttons for the infotainment system, the media, the radio, the telephone, and you got other buttons as well. Now, one of the great things that this car has is a massage seats. So you press that button and it brings up a whole bunch of options: driver seat, passenger seat, and you can have all sorts of massages. It's absolutely fantastic. And it does work. You then got the dynamic lever, where when you push it, you can either have Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, or Individual. And every time you press that, something goes on the infotainment screen. Also, when you put it into Sport Plus, I don't know if you're going to hear it, but the exhaust just gives a little whoosh. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm not sure you can hear it on this video. You can also lift up the car by pressing this button, and it's got self-parking. I don't know if you can see it, but behind that button is another button where it will, when you press it, it will look for a parallel parking space and it will park the car for you. You can switch off the infotainment system by pressing this power button, which I will do in a minute. And it's also got a physical volume button as well as a volume button on the steering wheel. And I'm just going to go ahead and switch it off because I'm not sure if it comes out, if it flashes on the camera. Behind that we have a armrest that can open on from both sides, and inside there is a wireless phone charger that does work, and it's got the roof settings where you can open, close it, and do the windows. It opens in 20 seconds and you can also open it up to, I think, 20 or 30 miles an hour whilst you're driving. There is storage inside. It goes quite deep, and you've also got a whole bunch of USB slots and SD slots and all that kind of stuff. And talking about storage, as I said, you've got a storage tray over here. The glove box is a decent size, and the door bins are okay, quite deep. Now on the door we have different settings. By the way, when you close the door, your seatbelt comes forward. Let me show you. So when you open it, it goes back, and when you close your door, seatbelt comes forward so that you can reach it. You have different settings for the seats. So you got memory seats, obviously it's electronically operated. You got 3 memory seats. You can then ventilate the seats, heat the seats. You can heat your neck. And to be honest, I'm not really sure what this one is for. If you know what this one is for, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll switch it off for now. Obviously electric windows. You can open the boot from a switch in the door. You have a physical handbrake over here, engine start, and the steering wheel is absolutely fantastic. This wood finish, wood veneer with leather. On the right hand side, you control your driver display. You can customize it in all different ways. You can have all sorts of things in the center, and then you can actually change the whole design by pressing this button, and you can have sport, classic, or progressive. So this is a classic. Progressive looks like that, and for the sake of this video we'll put it back into sport. The boot is not that big. I actually forgot to show you, so let's just have a quick look at the boot. It's approximately 350 liters of space when the roof is open, so it's up to 350 liters of storage space. It's not that much. This is where the roof sits, but it's okay, it will do the job. You're not buying this car for the storage space. It's obviously electronically operated. And then the back seats, let's just have a quick look at the back seats. There is not much space back there, and I've actually not had a look or checked how this works, so we'll do this for the first time. I assume you press that forward, and then the seat slides forward. It's fantastic. It's a little bit slow. This is the AMG trim. It's not the AMG model, that's a completely different model. In the back we have very comfortable seats, isofixers, very sporty, and you got a little bit of storage down here. You got an armrest that comes down with some cup holders. Isn't that fantastic? Brilliant. I guess to put it back, we just go like that, and it slides back into the, I guess, in the same position where it was when it first started out. Now we'll take it for a short drive and see what it's like. It's got a massive amount of power. Let's get out of that. Let's put in front of us trip. Yeah, we'll keep it simple. This car has 4,227 miles, I think. No, sorry, 4,352. It's the lower one. And as I said earlier, according to Mercedes, you get approximately 27 miles to the gallon. So it's currently in comfort mode, and I think what we'll do is, because we are on some nice winding roads here in the outskirts of London, we'll put it to Sport Plus. And I know that on this short stretch of road there is a point where it changes to 60 miles per hour, so we'll try, if it's safe enough, we'll do a launch in 0 to 60 and see what that does. According to Mercedes-Benz, the 0 to 62 time, miles per hour, or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, is in 4.5 seconds. Being in Sport Plus, it stiffens up the suspensions, sharpens the throttle and the steering as well. And one of the, as a first impression, one of the first things you feel is that whenever you go around the bend, you feel the support in the seats hugging you around the sides, on the sides of your back. It's absolutely fantastic. Every time you turn, it cushions up against you to make sure you don't move around. Now over here is where the speed changes to 60, so it's a little bit curvy here. It's not a safe spot to try it, so we'll try a spot that's a little bit safer. But let's speed up a little bit and see what this is like on a nice winding road. By the way, this morning is Christmas morning. I hope you've all had a fantastic Christmas. whilst you're all getting over your hungover, I am out early morning on giving this car a review. Please be so kind, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Oh my days, this is good. This is absolutely fantastic. Yes, it's not the AMG version, which would be a lot quicker, a lot more ferocious than this. As the gears go down, you hear their exhaust go. That's bloody fantastic. Okay, no, this is not long enough. Maybe it is. We'll look for a safer spot. Oh, is this car fast? You see, this car is not really made for these roads, but if you want to have fun, here we go. I'll get back to what I was saying. Let's just do a 0 to 60, a launching, I mean. All right. 3, 2, 1. A little bit of wheel spin. Oh, more wheel spin. Oh my days, and that's 60. Wow, that is so bloody quick. Shoots off the line. You get a little bit of wheel spin. So anyway, what I was saying was that this is a very luxurious car. It's not the kind of car you get for sporting around in. However, if you do want to have some fun, this car is very capable. It's not only luxurious and comfortable to drive, it's sporty too. Right, we're going to put it down into comfort as we're coming up to the dual carriageway. Oh, it's hugging me around the sides as I came around that bend. That was fantastic. Right, the speed here is still 60 miles per hour. It's in comfort. And it's very, very comfortable. I mean, this is the ultimate luxury, this, no? What's better than this? A Rolls-Royce, a Bentley? I'll be honest with you, I drove the Rolls-Royce, it's on the channel as well. And yes, as opulent as it is, and it's a great car, don't get me wrong. Fantastic car. But I was a little bit disappointed. I was expecting a lot more. From this car, you expect luxury and a little bit of sportiness. Oh my days, is this good. I'm going to put it into sport mode. And you get that with this car. It's a luxurious car. It has everything you need. You can even talk to it and ask it to do things for you, which is a little bit pathetic if you ask me. But some people like that kind of thing. Right, the speed's back down to 30 here, so we're going to have to be careful. We'll put it back into comfort. No, let's put it in eco and see what that's like. But the Rolls-Royce, I expected more from it. Don't get me wrong, it's not a bad car, it's an amazing car. I was just expecting a little bit more. Now, if you've driven a Rolls-Royce, tell me what you think, if you agree with me. So, what's my verdict on this car? I think if you were looking to buy a luxury car, especially a used one, because these cars you can now pick up from about 60 or 70,000 pounds, and you know, they cost in the hundreds when they first came out as a brand new car. So if you're looking for a cheap luxury car, or a good car that's value for money as a used car, I don't know how it makes sense as a brand new car, but as a used car, this is absolutely fantastic. It's comfortable, it's luxurious, it's got everything you need, and it's the kind of car you can sit in here for hours and hours and come out feeling fresh. Only somebody that sits on the road all day, you know, 1,000 miles a week, will understand what I'm saying. That you have cars where you know, after an hour or two of driving, you've got a headache, your bottom feels sore. This is a fantastic car. Everything's in reach, easy to figure out. Nothing's too complicated here. It does everything you want it to do. And with that, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and you have a great day.